Introduction. The modern music industry is so vast and developed that it offers music and music videos for all tastes. The song that the author of this work has chosen to analyze is Mean It. The singers are Lauv and LANY. The author believes that the genre of this song is electropop. This very song was chosen because it accurately conveys the feelings of people who have fallen in love, namely the doubts of one of the partners about their loved one's sincerity while willing to be sincere. This work aims to explore Mean It by Lauv and LANY through the prism of pathos, ethos, and logos. Pathos in Mean It. The song's central theme is the conflict of sincerity personified by Lauv and doubt by which a potential partner is meant. According to Lauv and LANY, I'm falling faster, but if you're looking at me with a heart of doubt. The music video begins with a view from a trunk closed. Lauv opens the trunk and looks directly into the camera for a few seconds, which creates an emotional connection between the viewer and the singer. It also makes viewers interested in the singer's further actions. The importance of emotional connection is another theme of the song. It is also worth noting that, throughout the music video, there are multiple close-ups on performers' faces that aim to create emotional intimacy between viewers and singers. It can be said that the facial emotions and gestures of Lauv and LANY are phlegmatic. It conveys the sincerity of the protagonist's feelings while contrasting with the lyrics, which narrates inner doubts. It is also worth mentioning that cuts happen much more often during choruses that enhances the emotional impact. Throughout the music video, many bright colors convey the singer's passion and the conflict of feelings. Ethos in Mean It. It can be said that Lauv and LANY are sincere with the audience. It is indicated by many expressed thoughts about self-reflection and soul-searching. According to Lauv and LANY, last night, we were more than fine, just tell me if you changed your mind, if you changed your mind. Lauv and LANY are completely honest with the audience, so they demand the same honesty from the viewers, that is why they ask them straightforwardly. Lauv and LANY sing, "Why you let those words come out of your mouth? If you don't mean it." Such honesty that these lines convey proves the sincerity of Mean It. It is also important to note that there are only two individuals throughout the entire music video, namely Lauv and LANY. It means that the environment shown in the music video is the spiritual world of the singers. Only the viewers can look at their spiritual journey. Logos in Mean It. The music video's plot follows the logic of the lyrics, therefore, the music video is logical. Viewers find Lauv at the crossroads, which symbolizes that he does not know where to go or where to start. With an incoming intro, a map appears in the frame, which Lauv picks up and begins his journey. It is a metaphor for Lauv's dialogue with a partner. It can also be interpreted as a journey where they try to make sense of what's real and fake in the psychedelic world around them. However, according to Lauv himself, viewers and listeners should interpret the lyrics from the perspective of what I thought somebody might want to say to me. When Lauv finds LANY, his vocal part starts, and they continue their journey by car for a while, and then they walk into the desert on their feet. The music video, as well as their journey, ends at night in the dark when Lauv closes the trunk. It is worth noting that Lauv is searching for something in the trunk on several occasions. It is a metaphor for his attempts to understand his partner's intentions. The last scene references the beginning of the music video, which symbolizes that this dialogue is incomplete and will soon begin again. The scene is consistent with the lyrics or the protagonist cannot understand whether the partner is sincere. Conclusion. This work explores Mean It by Lauv and LANY through the modes of persuasion. The music video is about a spiritual conflict of sincerity and doubt. The pathos is achieved through specific camera perspectives, close-ups, vibrant colors, and singers' behavior. Lauv reaches ethos using emotional and sincere lines, as well as through the right choice of location. The visual and lyric narratives are logically compatible. The beginning and ending of Mean It is a reference to the Ouroboros, which tells viewers that the lover's dialogue shown is not over. This song is very relatable to people going through a difficult relationship period with their partner, which is why this song is powerful. The author of this work believes that the music video was filmed to make the song's emotional message more personal and bring the singer and his fans closer together. The music video analysis through the modes of persuasion allowed me to understand that Lauv appreciates his listeners, viewers, and their feelings and mental health. Everything you need for studies, essay samples, writing tools, and tips, you can find at studycorgi.com.